Even though you're not part of the installation ceremony, you're still a very important part of my board coming up. I know I'm going to rely on you. As much as I did learning from you this year, and you're mentoring me, our road trips, we've become from friends to close friends, and I consider you a sister. And everybody has different stones on there, but because you represent so many different stones and the colors from the organization, I decorated yours with multiple colors. So that is from me to you.
Mimi, it is now my honor to present to you the President's Pin, to be worn proudly as our 2013-2014 President. Also with the pin, I pass to you the gavel. Just so everyone knows, this is 1927. This thing is old. The gavel. Okay. And I extend my warmest wishes for a successful year as you share your enthusiasm involving all members and leading this great federation. Congratulations, and may you accomplish all your goals. Pat, will you please join Mimi and me? Ooh, that's
Pat, it is now my honor to present to you the President-elect pin to be worn as proudly as our 2013-2014 BPW North Carolina President-elect. I look forward to our partnership this year as you share your passion for BPW with our members.
No? Marcia and Linda Hardy, would you please join us here?
Marcia, it is now my honor and privilege to present to you the Vice President's pin, to be worn proudly as our 2013-2014 Vice President, BPW BPNC Vice President. You have a full year ahead of you, and you will have many who will help you be successful. Thank you, I can't read. I look forward to great things for you.
Thank you, Linda. Marcia, you and Pat may return to your seats. Thank you very much. The chair is extremely proud to now recognize your 2013-2014 BPWNC President, Mimi Zelman.
I didn't think I was going to cry, but I'm crying. Thank you, everybody, so much. Dear BPW board members, Madam Chair, and guests, it is an absolute honor and privilege for me to be president of BPW North Carolina during the term 2013-2014. This is truly a moment I will be honored and cherished for a very long time. I accept this appointment with pride and will give my best efforts to make you proud to have selected me. But a single head achieves nothing. So I am counting on your support to achieve the goals I have planned for the upcoming year. With grace and cooperation of our fellow members, I will devote my time and myself to the obligations and the duties of this post. For those of you who don't know me well, I've been married to my husband Donald, who's here for 41 years. I have raised two beautiful daughters, Jennifer and Jessica. Please stand. And I have been blessed with two wonderful son-in-laws, one who is here, my son-in-law Jonathan Height, and my other son-in-law Roger, who's home in Indiana with two beautiful 3-year-old twins, boy and girl. And also I have my other two grandchildren here. I'm so happy to have my Sammy and my Adrian, who are 7 years old. I have 4 beautiful grandchildren now, but I have been blessed with one more on the way, which will be here in October. I have been in advertising sales for a very long time, and I want to say because I don't know how old I am. And I started having them when I was 10, so. And I started my own business 5 years ago, publishing Women with Know-How, which is geared to women business owners and professionals. Virginia said I did get the idea for my business, being part of Metropolitan BPW in Charlotte. And being part of Metropolitan was a blessing in my life. I joined when I was actually working for another company and lost my job 2.5 years into working there for the first time in my life. But the blessing was one of my clients was a member of Metropolitan. Took me to my first meeting. I knew I found a home immediately. As you can see, my theme for this year is GEM, the year of generating, elevating, and motivating our membership. But all began through Virginia's theme of building our future together. We can't build without generating, elevating, and motivating our current and hopefully future members. GEM is the precious stone that stands for everything that is good. Elevate is to acknowledge our members. The generate is to increase our membership. Through working together as a team, getting our members involved, I hope this will elevate and motivate us to keep our organization moving forward and rebuilding the number of members that we've had years ago. I have a wonderful board and our transitional board meeting planning everyone bringing ideas to the table, forming strong relationships, and putting in place some great events for this coming year. I thought this would be inspiring to everyone to help make a more positive impact for our members. We all get out of BPW what we put into it. I am counting on our members present tonight to go back to your local clubs and feel motivated. And let's all do whatever we can for the growth to help us succeed in the coming years to come. By doing so, we can leave a great legacy for all women in the workplace, a legacy for our daughters and our granddaughters. So thank you again for selecting me, and thanks for all of your support, and especially the support I've gotten from Metropolitan BPW. Thank you.